Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Oconee County in northeastern Georgia, Morgan County in north-central Georgia, southeastern Walton County in north-central Georgia, Greene County in east-central Georgia, western Toliver County in east-central Georgia, southwestern Oglethorpe County in northeastern Georgia, northeastern Newton County in north-central Georgia, until 7:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:34 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Brickstore, or near Covington, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Covington, Madison, Greensboro, Social Circle, Union Point, Rutledge, Bostwick, Woodville, White Plains, Siloam, Maxey's, Buckhead, Vesey, Rayswood, Greshamville, Parks Mill, Swords, Penfield, Apogee, and Robinson. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta.